Heidi ho, all my friends out there in YouTube land. Hope you're doing well. Right, what we got here? This is a 5 Deutschmark coin, 1977. So, same old, same old. Let's punch a hole in it. Beautiful day here. Bit chilly, but still a nice day. Right, that's looking good. Let's go after Big Bertha and see what she's going to do for us today. There she is, looking sexy as ever. Right, what we got? Let me just slap on the bottom. Who's a naughty boy then? Still off the fags. I think telling you guys is helping me as well to stay off the cigarettes, because if I do start smoking again, I think I've let you guys down, so yeah, it might help. Right. So, this is Christy Burr. And we just want to clean up that inside edge, make sure there's no cracks or splits. Okie dokie, there you go, that's looking good. Nice and smooth. So now we want to break out the one and only. There's Jaws, here he is. This is called annealing. Okay, that should be plenty hot enough. I filled up my my quenching cup. Whatever next. Right. So now we want to fold it. And I think we've actually got to go with this side. Get the wings, the date. I don't know if I've done one of these before. So this goes face down. And that'll be sunny side up on the ring. Make sure it's levelish. And then we go over to the one and only. This is a 1-ton arbor press. Oh yeah, it's pretty sexy. Right, let's break out Sandy. You just want to clean up that edge, make sure it's nice and clean. So Beer and Alan, Gary, Steve, Sarah, hope you're all having a good day, because I know you watch everyone, and I appreciate it. I really do. Evie, my cat's yowling again. Hey, there you go. Right, let's show it a bit more love with Bernie, the fire starter. Okay, that should be good enough. Give it a bath. Right, clean piece of the old kitchen roll, and then we'll go over to the one and only Spike. And this little baby stretches your ring. Give it a quarter of a turn each time. That way it stretches the ring equally all the way around. How's it looking? You're going to get that bow out of it. If you're new to the channel, I make jewellery out of coins. Not just rings, I do bracelets, earrings, toe rings, key fobs. Right, how's that looking? Not too shabby. Okay. Right, so now we want to go down to the bottom end of Spike. These are reduction dice. We need a bigger one. There's some there. Make sure it's square. Quite good. So now we just want to cut out this lip, otherwise it's uncomfortable to wear. So I just want to cut that out. So I break out Christy bow again. Okie dokie. Let's cut that lip out. Now it's nice and smooth all the way through. So let's break out the one and only beautiful, if £1 only, the one and only Kate Bush. This is like quad zero steel wool. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, there's a little red button bottom right hand side of this video. If you hit that, you're automatically subscribed. And hit the bell icon. You'll be notified every time I upload a video. You can also check out my web shop, yourfingermyring.com. There you'll find my rings and bracelets, earrings, toe rings, and the pendants should be coming very, very soon. Right, there you go. Yeah, it's quite nice, isn't it? I think I'll chuck a bit of polish on this one. So first of all, I need to change the one and only Kate Bush of Felton John. I'll whack some polish on it. Right, let's give it a go. Right, let's give it a wipe round, clean the old mingers off. Yeah, all the rings I can adjust the size for you up or down. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. Yeah, it's coming up quite pretty. Right, let's get a slightly cleaner cloth. That's easier said than done. Here we go. If you prefer the Edwin look, I can just run over this again with the Kate Bush. But at least you see what it looks like with or without the polish. Right, there you go. How's she looking? Quite nice, eh? What size we got in the end? Let's go to our Yankee Doodle magic wand. It always measures from the reeded side of the coin. And this is a size just over 13 US. So thanks for watching. Does it fit me? Yeah, it fits that finger. But it fits this finger even better. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll catch you tomorrow, God willing. So bye bye.